Teacher Sammy.
Maria goes to school. Good morning, Maria. It's time to wake up. Maria wakes up smiling. Good morning, she says. She gets up and tiptoes to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth with toothpaste and toothbrush. Then she takes a shower. I'm a big girl, she said. After that, she goes back to the bedroom and puts on her favorite red dress. Then she puts on a red bow on her hair. Maria looks so cute. Mom prepares sandwiches and milk for her. She says, "Thank you, Mom." She wears her red dress, red bow, white socks, and red shoes. She has a yellow backpack. Now she is ready to go to school. She waves goodbye to her mom and dad. "See you later," she says. She waits patiently for her school bus. It is yellow and big. She gets on the bus and sits quietly. She is excited to see her teacher and friends. "Thank you, sir," she says to the bus driver. She sees her teacher. "Good morning, teacher." She smiles. "Good morning, Maria," her teacher says. Maria sits down and starts reading a book. Then she plays with colorful blocks. In art class, Maria draws a rainbow. It is story time. Maria, her teacher, and her classmates read a book under the tree. The bell rings. Class is over. Maria prepares to go back home. Maria waves goodbye to her teacher and classmates. "See you tomorrow," she says. Maria goes back home. She runs happily towards her mom and dad. "I had a nice day at school. Did you miss me?" she asked. "We miss you so much," her mom and dad say. The end. Red dress, red bow, white socks, red shoes, yellow backpack, books, blocks, yellow bus.
Teacher Sammy.